Though its velocity is less, erosion work by glacier. Though its velocity is less, the mass of the ice is more, and hence the glacier erodes its own banks and its bed on a large scale. The erosional work of glacier produces landforms like cirques, arids, horns, U-shaped valley, hanging valley, and roche mountains or sheepbacks. So these are the landforms which is produced, or it is the erosional work of glacier. So these type of formation we can find in the high altitude mountain. We cannot find in the land area. This formation we can find only in the snow clad mountains of the high altitude mountain, where the mountain is clad with thick snow, and where the glacier movement of glacier is there with the steep slope. Understood? Right side you can see the picture. The big snow clad mountain is there. The slopes are very steep. At that time the big ball of glacier starts moving very slowly, very slow pace, and along with them it carries so many materials. So what type of formation is there? Cirques, arids, horns, U-shaped valley, hanging valley, and roche mountain. So underline all this formation. And river, what type of formation was there? Formation was canyons, gorges, V-shaped valleys, and waterfalls. So remember, you make a column, the work of river, एंड कौन कौन से रिवर के वर्क्स हैं उसका एक कॉलम बनाना, ग्लेशियर का बनाना, और आने वाले और जो आगे आएंगे सबका एक वर्क कि सबका क्या क्या काम है, सबने क्या क्या फॉर्मेशन किया है, तो उन सब का बना लोगे अगर कॉलम, देन इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर यू टू रिमेंबर ऑल दिस थिंग्स. Understood? So erosion work by glacier is the formation is done by glacier is in the form of cirques, arids, horns, U-shaped valleys, hanging valley, and roche mountain or sheepbacks. So now we'll see transportation and deposition by glacier. So what type of work is done by glacier? The glacier carries sediments with them. Understood? Already we know that glacier is nothing but the frozen water, and which carries out in the form of small pebbles, rocks, sand, so many things. Understood? The glacier carries sediments with them. These sediments are called moraines. Underline this line. These sediments are called moraines. Depending on the location of deposits, moraines can be divided into four types. Underline these four types: ground moraines, lateral moraines, medial moraines, and terminal moraines. So जो भी deposition है sediments, it is known as the glacier which carried sediments with them. These sediments of glacier is known as moraine. And how many types of moraines are there? Four types of moraines are there. So that is ground moraine, lateral moraine, and medial moraine, and terminal moraine. So underline all these four moraines. Now we'll see one by one. ठीक है? The depositional work of glacier produce landform like drumlins, eskers. ठीक है? Underline this: drumlins, eskers. So these are the depositional work of glacier. Now children, see the figure 4.2. So this is the work of this diagram is very important. It can come for your exam also. Moraines and their types. Now see, first you see left side flow of river. ठीक है? So that time in the high altitude mountain the river is frozen. It is in form of glacier. So along with the when they start moving the glacier bed, the lower bed, ठीक है? Now medial moraine, in between the medium in the middle center it is medium moraine. Lateral means banks of the glacier, or that time the steep slope and the side of the slope. Understood? So that is lateral moraine. And medial moraine, glacier beds. So these are the type, this is the formation of the glacier when they starts moving along the steep slope. Understood? So medial moraine means it is in the middle center, and in the right side or left side, you can say in the sides of these steep slope, you can see lateral moraine, and that side, left side and right side, lateral moraines. Understood? Medial moraine, and this is glacier bed in the bottom of the glacier. Understood? So this is your picture. You underline this, and you are supposed to make in your draw in your copy also. This is very important. you will have a long question, detailed question. Explain moraine. How many types of moraines are there? Explain with the help of diagram. So this diagram is very important. Understood? Now we'll see the picture of glacier. The formation of glacier, you can see it very clearly. U-shaped valley, lateral and medial moraine. So this is the picture of lateral and medial moraine. Drumlins. Drumlins are the formation, erosional, depositional work of glacier. Depositional, like river, delta formation was the depositional work of the river. Now here glacier का जो depositional work है वो it is in the form of drumlins and eskers, Roche mountains. Understood? Roche mountain. So this type of mountain we can, this type of formation, Roche mountains, we can see in the high altitude area. Drumlins also. You see right side, Hanging Valley. Understood? You can see the picture of Hanging Valley. It is the erosional. These boxes you are supposed to fill up. Hanging Valley, that is erosional work. Lateral and medial moraine, that is depositional work. Roche mountain, that is erosional work, and that is depositional. Drumlin, that is deposition. Understood? You find out from the paragraph and try to fill up all these blanks which is given. Eskers also. ठीक है, eskers it is erosional work. Erosional. Hanging Valley is also erosional work. So can you tell or think about it? You are supposed to do by yourself all this work. These are our activity you should do by yourself.